Nando mwanchu muri Ndizi TV andonsia soberete nigo cyaragire Chinsa Ikomi cyabona marwaba ari tuko lya Jumaine kitariki 33 mutenyi Ikomi umwaka w'irubere nemeronke bere nesato aneneka turengete gogo turigete cyukoro mutenyi Ikomi taso mutenyi Ikomi narimo umwaka uyo igana mangana dokarkana imena isiko ya Gusii ekero King Charles 3 ale asense ya Kenya ekera chakabene etaro yaye ya matuko ane asense ya Kenya karanyaraga kwariganwa no murayibwense Dr. Gwemuto asamaga State House ritko uliarero baigaba MC korwase county ya Kisii boigoni goba moboliro mo wasiri boborendi waime kidure kindiki anene kwerera ninki abachesiu bajidokorase county ya Kisii boigo boibi ni boendete kwene kiwasese moya kibirigo asamenyi bense meiba bolire serikali iyo borendi waime go serikali kwene kibina oborendi kwene kibole as meibo ne ritko lya kabere asamate mwake busea na KCP ekarakorekana sinsemo ao asinsit ya Kenya nene kanande ritko lya ngiba kora eribakora matemo ayo yigrade ya tanomo na boigeraske standard yitekotokora umoroberio 844 so umoroberio sibisiko kwari ani bene obena inchigo ikomwere katokubata na chosho utakorwa sensemeri yo muruwe manyerero abigari nyanja mene kibina gocheira serio gyamo nejibicha boigonyora nantora sensemo ye mitandao Facebook tanyora Ndizi TV News Digital boiga sensemo ya YouTube na bagotanyora Ndizi TV News onya chinga kina boto tweet @Ndizi TV News boiga karengal kyao kenda ko toma gutira se number era siskini igora boiga onto agotebina no tora sensemeri ye website yetu na www.ndiztvnet.net abuna gotanyora www.ndiztv.net abuna gotanyora ekarutoro Chinsa meronke bere nainye matukata nabere ye wiki endonyore meroberi binende dokorekana ime ya Ndizi TV nerobonsusi bunabotamberiane Brighton Makori. Abanyabiashara mo nabamenyi koruwa sensemo ya kebirigo yego toka sebunge ya West Mugirange County Nyamira bononi go baburi serikali anene wetera aswisara yoborendi boime kwene kibuna ngotingi baro borendi asensemani gago chamaga yo boibi nabantu gotigirwa chingoma asenseme yuna koibirwe binto asenseme kwene kibuna gorse yajagire kwenda gukwana nabali bakwana nigitaseni kandi Steven go baburi serikali go korabo gotingi borendi asenseme yo ekraba obisokorwa sikyombegeri ya DCI baika asenseme yo nagochaka obotuge erikorena abaibi abo bali baibete bintu korwa senseme yo nkobe kubare byara korwa senseme no roboti omurikito cyo manganda dutu badere konende kana kikingesa tutomeire asinse Ikomi chiaboniga
Renka buone naringo cha kwigende kangi akorekanete na ichaga ananyo murango tagoire
tukotoraire tukaigwa masasi ga kurutwa na incho monya na inche ningibeire ntoi na ibere twego ikakabere lakini abasikali barweka rwa Kisii bagocha bacheke mambi security aro neborete
ono nje na komisana nje ne jirani y'abasikali roborali ngo kuminga nkiyako abasikali bagwakirwe simi mbali ko bwata
Estas babwenerete gocha ba invest mbache ekero in security egenderete gukine ncherenga buneyi
pero heri pita karomuntu gukora okwirigire nginje kabire agoitwa abantu bandi baraire omuntu oria bacha kuya ngoraigo it is not good so we are appealing to the government etokonya
abo MC korwase county ya Kisii nigo bamojirie serikali anene kerabate abune serikali yo neregendete kutuma majoni gochase county ya Kisii ayani gago jamagiga yabanyanyimbo korwase kyombegia chesi yuri tukoregoro wotarasi chobis cyo mugabana asigeti kya Gusii stadium bagukwane getaseni kandi Steve go seni jomba choborali bakurawa no mokonyi bwo monogari bwebunga ye county ya Kisii chakobagaka baigoro MC ward ya Masige West nigo baborire umwasiri bwoborendi boime kidure kindiki kwerera ninki kyagerede abanyanyimba bagacha ase county ya Kisii asibo igo baborire umugabana bwe county ya Kisii Paulo Simbarati kwegwa esko yaye na kwegwa ribaga akorere abamenyi be county ya Kisii emirimo ikani wa mochorete koba mugabana obo inda bakorere amagendero.
Indeed, At the county assembly, we have already enacted the county credit scheme to help empower the small and medium enterprises financially. As if that is not enough, only yesterday, the GSU officers raided the governor's office and ransacked it without due regard to inform him of the intention, nor did they have a such warrant to that effect. This was an act of impunity which goes contrary to the Constitution of Kenya 2010. It begs the question, why would the government send truckloads of GSU officers from Nairobi to harass the governor and his officers instead of dispatching them to banditry-prone areas like Northeastern and Baringo? This marks of ill intention aimed at derailing the governor and the county government of Kisii from the course of normal operations. We hereby ask the Interior CS, Professor Kindiki, to come out clear and explain to Kenyans why they are victimizing Governor Simbarati because of his political inclinations. At the same time, we condemn South Mugirango MP, Honorable Silvanus Osoro, for chest thumping on the legal police operations in Kisii County. As a member of Parliament from Kisii, Osoro should concentrate on his oversight role on the national government, and especially on the rising cost of living, which is affecting all Kenyans as of today.
Engane yubono yabanyanyimba bugo chari tukiregora se county ya Kisii nigo yanyara kigo kwanerwa as bunge ye county ya Kisii gekurawa no speaker Virbunyanyumba asabe musie aho barwe birengere byabo abande bamukingane yo na abande basira ingane yabanjoni go cyase county ya Kisii kunendo mwe musibe wodi ya Masige East Michael Motume nigo bono nera boriri y'abanyanyimbo busika umurayi we county ya Kisii Simbarati bagera boriri serikali yanene korora emechandeli abakenya bagwetera baranye sugurikera bamaye gusugurikera amangana ye county ya Kisii asokonya go musumbwa umugabana we county ya Kisii.
National government again, that as much as we have the resources in terms of personnel, security personnel, this kind of misuse of uniformed officers should not be acceptable, Mr. Speaker. We have seen Kenyans in Turkana, in Kapedo, people are struggling even to access basic needs because of insecurity, Mr. Speaker. Why bring GSU officers at a stadium where innovations are ongoing, where people are very peaceful, when we have issues to deal with? This national government is failing on its mandate, Mr. Speaker. The same energy they use to blackmail and intimidate politicians, they should use to lower the cost of living that's affecting the main Kenyans that we have. Mr. Speaker, sir, going forward, I appeal, Mr. Speaker, finally, I appeal also with members of the County Assembly, Mr. Speaker, that an attack to the office of the governor is an attack to the people of Kisii County. Because
Aboro kiwa bari ba grade 6 na bari bari okora matema KCP anene kroba okoro moroberio o 844 so somoroberio o CBC nigo bagendera matema ababuya asiritikoria kabere krabaro beretu chikokora osigokora matema ayo ritikoria ngyo asense yaito ya Kenya sijinsemo awao kolengana no county commissioner we county ya Kisii Tomwanjere oyo tarira ase county osensemo ya sub county ya Nyamaje nigo aboriri ababwatani awa kwene kibuna ngosira bale na kwa abando kiwa achinga gichinyorore kraba okora matema ayo igono embali ba uchokora egeraski 12 matema abonara uchuchaka umutinyi togosoa.
Candidates who registered for exams should be given a chance to do the exams. Remember, this exam is about the life of this child. And therefore, let us do all that it takes to ensure that we accord them an opportunity, we provide them with an enabling environment for them to be able to undertake the exam. We have talked to the assistant chiefs, we have instructed the chiefs, the SCCs to mop up all the candidates. And of course, you are the people who have the information, isn't it? Yeah, anytime you detect that there is a candidate missing, please draw the attention of the local administration and let them mop them up to come and undertake the exam. This is the last KCP we are having. And you can imagine when a child misses on this one, it means they have to wait for another, I think, 2-3 years. before they align into the CBC system. Yeah? I remember this happened when we were facing out the Form 6 and 844. Yeah? Some of us were got into that mix, and it's not very easy to recover. So let us ensure that we accord these children, they are our children, an opportunity to prepare themselves.
Magega yumuwasiri webintu bitu etanaine amo na mache kurwase kaunti ya Nyamira John Matiangi oyunyardega komoche company ya Wasco igoro yobwagaji wechicho ase chiro ya Amayia nigobono company ya Wasco yetenene nomotene monene ruswe tobanyare bagwe sokya na komoche ngane yo anyara kago kwana asiba muburina atige goturubani company ya Wasco emeroberie begede yogokonya chichiro na kobeke emeroberio anene ya mache amo nobokorali awase county ya Kisii amo neri ya Nyamira bago kwana getaseni kandi TV nigobono ba muragire ekiara John Matiangi asingana nyara kago kwana ase county yo ya Nyamira.
The allegations are ill-motivated and malicious. That the allegations are not based on any record facts, technical or otherwise. That we endeavor to give nothing short of what we would have to value for money without any single compromise to the contractual agreements. And that it is always fair, proper and responsible of any leader to carefully counter-check with facts before going out to display pure ignorance to the public, perhaps unwittingly. It's unnecessary, it's embarrassment to such negative energies. And for more information on the project, you can contact the Office of the Managing Director of Gusii Water and Sanitation Company.
Engane yibono ya ruzigwa ito yoro modene monene we company ya Wasco nigo ya egwa ose nigo ya siro amone board members abube company yo asina boro badena beseteyo ya sirire nande nigo bokorali obuyebo endete kwenekiwa ase company yo ya Wasco nande nigebege temeroberio emiya yo kwenekiuna ngokorero bokorali obuya ase county ya Kisii amo na Nyamira.
Complain si wa maje Nyamira agotana enyombeju te watki plan architectural plans in Chirule and approved by the county government na ikawa submitted BQs in Chiro City standards chokoro siebe kwende o nyombeyo wachenu chibikirense chiwati cho motaratifu mogandaria abwene tokoba asuwa kachole kwesi omo contractor nuri ole qualified or applied na anda kaewa a contract hiyo mune bwenerete na water trust fund no wa correct wa approve bila approved
na ndeni otokwira na se county ya Nyamira atorire na ekamati yobo chenu korwa setenet yanyarike gotara nyagitari awao ase county yo aburi turegoro ekora wanomo senator bwe county of Nigishu Johnson Mandago amo nominated senator nere Osokenyuri ekaroba geta sense meyo anene go bamocheti inabatanya de ba kwariga ngubuya ase county yo ya Nyamira ba okwana aburi turegoro anane kroba baikiranete asobisyo mugabana nigo baoraga tyogo taisaneka kwabo anene ngakibanya rede ba kwirerwa ekaroba tare de chi county ose ba tare de nyagitari awao ase county ya Nyamira.
And the guys were saying we don't even know what kind of people you are, not even identifying their own senator. So, and that was the first facility I've been to where the staff are not interested. In all the public facilities we visited, the guys who are working there are normally very interested to actually, share what they are doing, what the challenges are, but here it was a very different thing, right from the nutritionist, the superintendent who had already left. So we really need to...
We mentioned about malaria and Tekerenya. It has occasionally happened even here, but since the new
Kartuko sukabosi bono omoruoti ogatato Giles ni ganyara kago chake taro ya ebena sense ya Kenya ekero agochikoba asitaro ya matukane ekeranyaraga kwariganirwa n'umurayibwense Dr. Guramuto korarana kia taro ya chakire anekero anyaraga kumerana n'umurayibwense.
And because we believe in the rule of law, we have made sure that we have obtained all the certifications.
Otherwise, you won't be allowed.
Yeah, otherwise you can't be allowed to take it. So we have done all the certification to enable you to transport it to the UK.
Well, I've got an arboretum I'm gradually trying
Wonderful.
to put together,
so,
which represents of different parts of the world, so it would be absolutely ideal. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank
it's
you.
part of our heritage, part of our history. Yes. Yes. Yes.
And she was so looking forward to seeing more of the country, I know.
Correct.
At the time, it was a tragedy.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Oibono King Charles III kera chakire taro ya ebene ya matukane asense ya Kenya ekeraba Kenya abange asoma gusiadara tigumaega paganyirirete enkwana arachigokwana Giles asense ya Kenya ekiagara korugoro tarakwana tumanya ningi akwanire nande ningi ochukwanira ase ense ya Kenya nyoromna bakenya bange nigo bakomo chinse ya British ande nekro ya nyarede ke okoro ni ense ya Kenya asaba Kenya baodena emechande menga bakenya babwade nigo yaretetwe na bali bagambirete ense ya Kenya ase miaka ya mayo mwanchumuri yangu wakirambia marekro wachara kurira Ndizi TV nero wansmosi nyasaya gonganja na ya wanjire turamerane angia somoroberio bwensakia ujagisa Ikomi na ibere chamambi ugachiseto asokonyana na maiga tato twakoretera usitwa krosera lituga twarogoliro beme ya Ndizi TV nero wansmosi ayonsi abali kweto bandate ko yarigania enda jokoreterwa senjere wekero ikoragense ya mya barmaro baba nefrino na zero akumanya mange enero Ndizi TV wansmosi twabotera na Joshua Auta oyorenga sense merio munwe manyerio aberi nyanja mane ni garenga sense merio ya mnechibicha asomugocha sole na nje Brighton Makori.
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Gusii.
You are watching me in your house. I speak to you as a prophet.